everyone, this is the PLC Fiddle Motor Starter Service Counter Challenge, and what we want to do is take our standard PLC Fiddle latching motor circuit and add a motor service starter output that indicates that it needs some service on it, and we're going to do that after 1000 starts of the motor. So what we'll do is we'll first of all put a variable on my rung here. We'll call it the motor, and that will cause us to actually count up, and we'll do that on our motor starts. And looking at our motor starts, we actually are going to up to 1000, and when that 1000 counter is up, we want to turn on the light for service. So let's go back to our contacts. Our variable here will actually be our motor starts output. So once we count up to the 1000, and then what we want to do is put a coil, and that coil will actually be our motor service starter. So let's just try that out. What you'll see is if I hit the start button, the motor turns on, and then I hit the stop, it goes off. You see that I now count 1 on my accumulator. Now we can count all the way up to 1000, but what we'll do is change the accumulator to, we'll say 9998 or 998. We'll hit OK. Now let's just start the motor again. That should now go to 999, which it does. We'll turn it off. Start one more time, and then our motor service light will indicate. And sure enough, that's exactly what it does. And we can do one more time, and you can see it remains on as long as my accumulator is more than my preset value. And we can also do the check here, and sure enough, it passed all our checks, so we have the correct logic for our motor starter service counter challenge. Now all the links and documentation, as well as further challenges on counters, can be found in the links below. And if you like this video and like to see more, there are 3 ways in which you can help us out. You can go give us a thumbs up so other people can find this information. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also go to accautomation.ca and subscribe to our website. When you do, notification will be given to you every time we publish new content to the site. You'll also get 2 free ebooks on numbering systems and robust data logging. And the third thing to do to help us out is to tell a friend or colleague about the site. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.